Challenging behaviors are so challenging because they bring a sense of uncertainty and they can make us question our own abilities. Because what we are trying just continues to not work. And this can be a very, very vicious cycle. We try to understand what the child is communicating, provide language and comfort, but in the end, the behaviors continue and then they can actually escalate, making the child and yourself more frustrated. So in this workshop, I'm going to go through some different ways of handling these situations, whether the child is exhibiting typical or challenging behaviors. So what I hope for you to take away from this workshop is to not just find practical strategies, but also an eye-opening experience where you start to see children communicating these behaviors and finding a collaborative approach so that both the child and you get to share your concerns, have your voices heard, and be able to solve the problems.